Assalamualaikum and good morning. On behalf of Department of Food Sciences family, it is my great pleasure to welcome all of you to our department. I wish to congratulate each of you on being selected as our new Master Science coursework students, and thank you for choosing our program in pursuing your master degree. I'm Dr. Nolida Maddaud, the Coordinator Program for Department Food Sciences Master Science coursework, and here are my details. Feel free to contact me if you need help or query regarding your study. Basically, you can find my room on the same level as the department office in Biology building. This is the general postgraduate program of Department of Food Sciences. We offered PhD and master degrees. PhD program is a full research program, and we have both research and coursework programs for master degree. From now on, I will be focusing only on coursework program. Each student in this program is required to register and pass 40 credit hours. Out of these 40 credit hours, 29 credit hours are compulsory courses and 11 credit hours are elective courses. This is the list of subjects for Master of Science Food Science program. The compulsory courses are listed in second column, while the elective courses are listed in the third column. You can choose any of the elective courses to meet the course credit hours on top of the compulsory courses. This is the list of subjects for Master of Science Nutrition student. As you can see here, there are some courses that's similar with Master of Science Food Science students. So you'll be sharing some of the courses together. So how can you know the credit for each course? It is easy. Basically, the last number of each subject code is the credit hour for each course. Take these subjects, the one with the red circle for an example, STPD 6014 Research Methodology. The end number for this code is 4, therefore the credit hour for the subject is 4 credit. In order to pass, students need to have a minimum CGPA of 3.0. This would mean that every semester you need to get grade point average or GPA of 3.0. A student who is incapable of attaining a CGPA or cumulative grade point average more than 3.0 will be given the status of conditional pass in the following semester to improve his or her performance to at least a CGPA of 3.0 at the end of that semester. However, let's say if a student with conditional pass situation is still incapable of improving his or her performance to a minimum CGPA of 3.0 in the semester, the student will be dismissed from the study program. This is because a conditional pass will only given once throughout the study period. From the list of subjects that I have shown before, there are 3 subjects related to your research. The first one is STPD 6014, second one is STKM 6973, and the last one is STKM 6986. STPD 6014 is actually about your research proposal. This is a prerequisite to the next 2 subjects. This means that you cannot proceed to undertake the next 2 subjects without registering the subjects. However, you can undertake this subject together with STKM 6973 Research Project 1, which is a write-up of Chapter 1 to 3. STKM 6986 is basically the research project itself. All research report needs to be written in Malay language except for certain conditions. The first one is if you are a foreign student who do not converse or understand Malay language. However, this is not applicable for Indonesians, means that Indonesians are still need to write in Malay language. Secondly, if you have other situations, therefore you need to submit an application to the faculty, and the faculty will decide whether you need to write in Malay or you can proceed in English. So I have explained about the research subjects and also about the report itself. So you must be wondering about the research title and the supervisor. So don't worry, in the next few weeks, I will be releasing the research title and the supervisor list. so you can meet the lecturers afterwards and find out more about the research. You need to do a project according to your program. Means if you are doing food science program, then you need to do a food science project, and vice versa. But first of all, let me introduce you to all lecturers of food science. We have 2 professors, 2 associate professors, and 16 senior lecturers. These are the academic staffs of Department of Food Sciences. These lecturers are from different research backgrounds, from food chemistry to food fermentation. Details about them and their research can be found on our department website, which I have included in the last slide. These are the team teaching and the subjects for this semester. Names with the red star means that the lecturer is the coordinator of the subjects. Lastly, these are the important websites for you to reach out throughout your study period in UKM. So the first website is the graduate school website. You can get infos on events and activities on campus. The second website is the faculty's website. Infos such as class schedule, forms, study financial aid, academic calendar can be obtained here. The third website is our department website. So from this website, you get to know your potential supervisor and other staffs, including administrative and also laboratory staff. You also get to know news related to our department. The fourth website, UKM Folio, is possibly the most important website during your study period, as all the announcements, study activities, communication between lecturers and students will be performed via this platform. You cannot get through this website yet at this moment, but you will get an access once you registered your subjects. The fifth website is the library website. You can use this website to borrow books and get journals for your study in the future. Last but not least, if you are on Facebook, please do check and like our department Facebook and also the student club and alumni Facebook to get more infos and exciting news of all activities in Department of Food Science. With all provided information, I will end my briefing session, and I wish you all the best and enjoy your studies with us in UKM. Goodbye for now, and I hope to see you around in our department.